Part 3, kites. A kite is a quadrilateral that has two pairs of consecutive congruent sides. So we have two pairs of sides side by side and congruent to each other. Two pairs of consecutive congruent sides, but opposite sides are not congruent. What we get is a figure like this. We'll have two congruent sides and then two other congruent sides, side by side, side by side. What we realize though is that our opposite sides are not congruent to one another. The same thing with these opposite sides. And it always does look like a kite that you might go out and fly on a wonderful summer's day. Okay, our property of kites. A quadrilateral is a kite, or if a quadrilateral is a kite, then what happens is its diagonals are perpendicular. So if we have a kite, and we draw the diagonals, these diagonals are perpendicular to one another, creating four right triangles inside of our kite. Theorem 8.19, if a quadrilateral is a kite, then exactly one pair of opposite angles are congruent. This is really important. So a kite, we're going to draw yet another kite here. In this kite, this angle and this angle are not congruent. However, these two side angles are congruent. Or if I want to tilt my kite on the side, then the bottom angle and the top angle, or these two angles here, are not congruent. However, these two angles are congruent. So we always only have one pair of congruent angles. Here's your example. Solve for the missing angles of the kite.